Mushroom, tomato and zucchini bruschetta. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 10 mushrooms. Slice 1 avocado in half and remove the seed. Break 1 handful of broccoli into small florets. Cut 1 cup of cherry tomatoes in half. Heat a frying pan on a high heat. Add the mushrooms to the pan. Cook for a couple of minutes on one side. Then turn over. Add a splash of water and saute. Add the handful of broccoli. Add half a sliced zucchini. Add a cup of chopped cherry tomatoes and saute. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Add some pepper to taste and saute until slightly soft. Mash the flesh of a quarter of an avocado and each sourdough toast. Top with the sauteed vegetables and serve.